Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot connect to App Store after updating the iOS on iPhone and iPad. First of all, please subscribe and like this video. Let's start. The first thing that we have to do, go to settings, then tap general, tap date and time, and make sure that set automatically is enabled. Solution number 2, go to settings, enable airplane mode, and lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes, then unlock your iPhone and disable airplane mode. Solution number 3, go to settings, tap Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi, go back to iPhone home screen and force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until we see the Apple logo. After force restart, go back to settings, tap Wi-Fi, enable Wi-Fi and check App Store. Solution number 4, launch settings, tap your profile name, scroll down and tap log out, sign out. After that, wait for a couple of minutes and sign in back. Solution number 5, launch settings, tap general, tap reset network settings, put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Solution number 6, launch settings, tap general, tap shutdown, drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. That's it. Friends, if you like this video then please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.